Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today we're in downtown Kato Paphos, and we're going to storm the Kato Paphos Harbour area, which starts off with the wood kiosk. There it is, a strange looking structure that's concrete and then covered in wood, like a decking, I think you'd call it, but it sells everything you could possibly want, from little toys, ornaments, fridge magnets, postcards, bags, hats, phone covers, cold drinks, hot drinks, all sorts of things, and of course cigarettes if you smoke like her. Receive the yellow booth.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again
And again, Receive Yellow Booth has seen something. What she's seen is a balloon that is vanishing up into the sky. There we go. So the balloon mafia is going to make a bit more money, because there's going to be a very, very upset child somewhere that's lost the balloon, and now, well, you understand, he or she is going to want another balloon. But luckily, there's some more balloon mafia over there in the distance, so that young child and her mother and her father will be racing towards. Yep, it's off all the way now up there. It's on its way to Ayia Napa. Come on, Receive Yellow Booth. There's something playing in the background, so in a moment we're probably going to have to do a little bit of running. Here we go. Come on, Receive Yellow Booth. Here we go. The Batman and Robin run, because, well, YouTube doesn't like it. Mr. Costas, there he is. He's the caricature artist in the harbour area. And then just over here we've got a great, great guy. He reminds me of my grandfather. And what does he do? Wow. He sells sea sponges. Yes. You all right? He's a good man. You want a sea sponge? Well, that's where you go. He's listening to the football again. Now, Mr. Yanis, hairiest man, sexiest man in the whole of Paphos. We'll leave him at it because he's busy. He's in Russian there. He's convincing someone to go on one of his boat cruises, because that's what he does. Right, next gunbarrow, super glass bottom boat. 2 trips, the lesser trip, the more trip. 1.5 hours, 2.5 hours, 15 euros, 25 euros. You get food and more entertainment, and he makes fun. Correct? Yes, that's the boss himself. So he'll take you out and he will entertain you. He's on Marika and me. He didn't even see us. Receive you?
Yes, but look at this dog.
There we are. Receive Yellow Booth and the dogs. She loves a dog. There we are. She loves dogs. I think that's called a King Charles Spaniel. Stick with us, we are about to enter, it's known as the Ship Mafia, and it's Paphos Sea Cruises. There they are. They do all these things. There's gunbarrow number 1, there's an old gunbarrow, a new gunbarrow, and there she is, oh so sweet Roxanne, or a new name, sexy Roxanne. Mr. Tom.
Hey guys.
All right, Roxanne, busy?
Hi, how are you?
As beautiful as usual. Always looks beautiful. He's busy selling. That's it, he's selling. We'll leave him at it. He's selling a cruise on the big boy. The big boy's gone out. If you watch the previous videos, you could watch it going. And the big boy is the Ocean Vision Great Cruise, 4 hours. Fireworks on a Tuesday, Friday and Saturday. 75 euros a pop, 39 euros a pop for the littlies. And it only goes, you get to eat all you want, and it only goes out on a Tuesday, a Friday and a Saturday. Now look at the King's Restaurant, have a look at that, absolutely packed out, that is for sure. We've got a thumbs up from that guy, but he's stuffing his face, so we'll leave him at it. We'll come back and see him a little bit later. Stick with us, here we go. That's the front of the King's, absolutely packed out. There's Mr. Harris, there he is. You all right, Mr. Harris? You all right? Good? And there he is, you all right? The man in charge tonight, looking very dapper. Look at that. Now, keep going. We've got more and more restaurants, and the harbour area just gets busier and busier as we dive into it. The next restaurant on the block, the Pelican, the greatest restaurant on the whole harbour area, and it's coming up after some more Bulgarian mafia. There we go, balloon mafia. That's the Pelican restaurant. Busy. And there's the rear of house, and there is the front of house. There's Mr. Andreas, he's the man in charge, and there's the overall man in charge, Mr. George. You all right, Mr. George? Good?
All right.
Busy?
Always.
Yes.
Always.
Andreas? Good? You're always busy. We were chatting to Marios before. Yes.
So Monday coming
Yeah,
back.
she's back. Coco is back on Monday. There's been concern. She had a cut throat She ate something she shouldn't have eaten. She went down to Nicosia. She's been treated. She's back on Monday, and we'll show you it live on camera. And I hope they treat her with some of that beautifully, beautifully fresh fish. In fact, I'll buy her some, that's for sure. Because we do love Miss Coco. We understand she is an absolute star. You see that?
Miss Coco, in fact, she's got her own vet doctor.
Yes, specialist. Must be a specialist. Yeah.
Wow.
Is it in Nicosia? Oh, it's in Paphos, right. Okay. So, she's going to be fine
No
when
more
she comes back.
No more food for her, something else.
Yeah.
Just
What's happened is someone, we're not blaming anyone, someone threw something in, she ate it, it cut the inside of her throat, and then she swelled up and couldn't eat. So,
have you shown this nice fridge?
I have, because
Yes.
we're going to go and buy all of that for Miss Coco. We're going to feed that to Miss Coco when she comes back, because we've missed her. Right.
Yes.
Now, our favourite little restaurant, they're all great, don't get me wrong, but our favourite little restaurant, because it suits us, very relaxed, the Jalama. That's the cafe area, sports area. There's the man himself tonight, Mr. Marios. You've got George at the back. All the Gumbaras are in. That's where you go for your ice cream. And that is the bistro area on the front. You get them? Yeah? Good. Good. That's Mr. P. There we are. And the man himself. How you doing? Right? Good?
All right.
Have you subscribed?
You know I'm subscribed. I'm like the 42nd subscriber.
I think you were 27, weren't you?
Was it
I
27?
think you were lower than that. Maybe even lower. Right. Front of house. There it is. There's all the gang. Right. Keep that table. We'll be back very, very shortly. Right. Next one. Sail at the castle. That's the kitchen bar area. Sports bar, and you can eat. And then that's the front of house. Getting busy. That's the man himself. He's busy. He's always busy. He's always busy. We're making him dizzy. You all right?
Exactly.
Yes. If you remember last week but one, he went up to Iron to celebrate his birthday, and he told us he had a great time indeed. Absolutely great. Yes. The last one on the block, Stevie's. There it is. A great eating bar and a great cocktail bar. And why is that? Because of him.
Because of
There he
him.
is.
Everyone
Comes here because of him.
We love you always.
Nope.
Nice to
Always,
see you.
always.
Home away from home.
That's
Try to get track of
Mr. Henry. Ooh, la 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 la.
He's funny always.
And there is, look at it, packed out, as usual. That's a Gamma Jubba in the background. Right, let's keep going. Mr. Costas, the boss, is not in tonight. He believes that we're even. He gave us 2 free drinks, and he now says that we're even. I've said to him, only for this week. Next week, you owe us again. We're like a mafia, if you understand me. Right, into the Paphos Harbour. It's light enough tonight, so have a look at that. The Zorky is back. The Jolly Roger is back. There's that boat, and there's my boat, and there's some bigger boats and some smaller boats. There's 2 dark grey boats, which are police boats, fishing boats, all sorts of boats. And that's not a boat, that's Gresivia Paphos. Stick with us. We're going to go and have a chat with Simone and see how he's doing. This is the young family we saw in a previous video. We saw the wife and the daughter, Miss Sophia, and they were laughing and joking with us, and Gresivia Paphos was trying to steal Miss Sophia. This is their husband and the father. There he is, Mr. Simone. You all right? We just seen him. He's doing well. Not doing bad. Not too. Oh, here we go. Gresivia Paphos is going to dance. Stick with us. We're going to go for the view and get the last golden rays of the sun as it departs Cyprus and goes off on its travels off to Kato, Australia. There's the harbour.
I'm busy.
What a great harbour indeed. Very tranquil, actual operational harbour. That's all the little fishing boats over there. Soon they'll be going out. There's 1 or 2 Gumbaras wandering around on them, so they're going to go out to catch their fish for the day, bring them back for their mamas and their papas, and obviously they'll sell some to the restaurants to cover all their costs and hopefully make a little bit of profit. Now we're going to get to the rear of the Kato Paphos Castle, or fort as some people call it, but before we do, that is the Motorbike Museum. Pop in there, €5, you get to look at about 40 motorbikes. The main museum is down in Nicosia. If you talk to the owner, Andreas, he'll tell you how to get there. And in that museum there are 400 plus fully refurbished classic motorbikes. So if you really like your motorbikes, Nicosia is about 1.5 hours in a car, 3 hours on a bus, and it's quite easy to find it in downtown Nicosia, that's for sure.
These bicycles actually for the lovers, for the people
Yeah,
who
for people who like them, yeah.
Yes, I would rather go. You remember we went to the car show?
Yes,
Wasn't
I would go
nice?
to car shows, you see,
Yeah.
but lots of people will go to bike shows. So if you're into your bikes, pop in there. €5, you get to have a good look around, that's for sure. As long as you want, fully air conditioned.
Go to the donkey
There's
shop.
t-shirts and the what?
Donkey show.
Donkey shop. I don't know what she's on about. Right,
Yeah.
here comes the donkey show. Let's follow the Grisibiala boat's rear end. We're off to see the Tchotchke Rock, that's for sure. Here we go. She's getting into position. Simon, Jeremy, can we give you €5? I'm going to fall on my arse again. Right, stick with us. Here we go. The noise has begun. This is it.
Mr. and Mr. Pains! How many times I've done these sounds is just for you. Only smile. I know what to do.
That's what it's all about. There we go. It's the rear end.
Papa!
Hoppa! Right, time for the view. Here we go. Look at this view. Great view off the blue Mediterranean Sea. It's a view to die for. We've got fishermen, we've got blue sky, blue sea, golden rays, Grisibiala Booth. Here we go. Have a look at that.
I know when I come closer to the sea, it's becoming very angry, very chopsy and very mopsy. But it doesn't matter, I can become chopsy as well. I told you. I would like to tell you many thanks for watching. Thank you very much for all of your attention and support. Please don't forget to come back and see another of our madnesses. We're loving you to this. Many thanks. And... I told you.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. That's a brave cameraman.
Oh my goodness, you're wet!
Yes.
Oh, jump up! Jump up!
Jump up. Jump up. Have a look at that view. Thanks for watching.